Get excited about the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 kilometers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.